I'm Carl Bouchard, President of Technimount System Group. I'm very pleased to be here with you in the EMS World Show as a virtual show. And today we will present a brand new product. We are very proud to launch this new product. It's something very different to what we have been before in terms of mounting system. And I will reveal this to you exclusively on video live from our new launch. Before we do that, I think you already know Technimount. If you need further information, please go on our website at technimount.com. Now, just be prepared. I'm going to show you this brand new product. We're very excited to show you now this product. And 1, 2, 3, here it is. Pretty unique in terms of design. Let me give you a little bit background of this product. Before anything else, just want to let you know that we work and collaborate with many EMS organizations. Some of them came to us and asked, so what about my electronic tablet? What about the patient care report tools that I need? And I need to carry on this while I'm using the stretcher, defib and all this stuff. So do you have a solution for us? Today we're very pleased to inform you that we do have a solution for that, and we are pleased to explain what is this product. First, as you can recognize this a tablet here. It could be any kind of tablet, it could be any model, and this is specially designed to be installed on a stretcher. Just for information, the position of the tablet can be on the side, both sides can be at the front, the rear, almost anywhere. But today we will show you something very specific in terms of the design and functionalities of this new mounting system for the tablet. First, as you can recognize, the holding and a bracket on the stretcher. But if you want to use this, or if you want to write it down while you're seated right here in the vehicle, you can easily push this up and you can see the screen much better when you're seated and type any type of information related to that. If you don't use this while you're in transport or evacuation mode, you can just put this down right here. For any reason you need to remove this, very simple. You unlock the system and remove up the tablet. So as you can see, we have something specially designed here with hook and slots that you can slide it down into the system. And if you want to remove this, you can unlock and change position also if you want to. It's pretty simple, but you have to do it, you have to manufacture it, you have to think about it. So now it is available. So forget about leaving this on between patient legs or having this in a bag or anywhere. Now you have a system that you can install directly on your stretcher. I'm very pleased to inform you that this product is now available, so you can contact our sales department and marketing for further information. We thank you very much and we appreciate your collaboration, and hope that we'll answer all your requests. Thank you very much.
Thank you.